In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how much profit you should be making in your business before you actually incorporate either by an LLC or a corporation. You probably clicked on this video because you want to know the amount that your business should be making before you even consider registering an LLC or a corporation. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Malaya Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,300 five-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business. So I get this question quite often. The question that I get is, how much money or how much profit should my business make before I even consider registering an LLC or a corporation? The answer to this question is actually more simple than you may have thought. There is no actual amount that your business should be making, or there is no actual amount of profit that your business should be making before you even consider registering an LLC or a corporation. The reason why you want to consider registering an LLC or a corporation is because of the advantages that these business entities provide you and your business. Now, there are a couple of benefits that you will receive if you decide to register an LLC. So let's go ahead and talk about some of those benefits now. One major benefit why you should consider registering an LLC is not because you're making a certain amount of profit or income, but because an LLC will provide you with legal protection. What this means is that compared to a sole proprietorship or a partnership, where in those sort of business ventures, you yourself are personally liable for any debts or any liabilities that your business may incur. When you register an LLC will protect your personal assets and also shield you against any sort of personal liability, any personal responsibility, as well as any debts or lawsuits. What this means is that if you have an LLC and your business gets sued, your personal assets will not be liable for that lawsuit. Say, for example, someone, for whatever reason, is filing a lawsuit against your business for the amount of $10 million. If you have an LLC, that person will only be able to come after the assets associated with your business itself. However, if you don't have an LLC, that $10 million lawsuit, they may try to come after your personal house, your personal car, your personal bank account, any sort of personal investment portfolio. Your personal assets will be liable and may be responsible for that lawsuit, unless you have a registered LLC. Another reason why you may want to consider registering an LLC is because of the benefit of pass-through taxes. This means that any sort of net income that your business develops, that amount will be passed down directly to you as an individual, as the LLC owner. This basically means that you, as the owner of an LLC, will then report that share of profit and any sort of loss on your individual tax return, meaning that you will avoid double taxation that exists with corporations. Now, another reason why you may want to consider registering an LLC is because of the credibility that LLCs provide. You're no longer operating your business under your name, your personal name, some sort of DBA. You now have a company registered name. This means that any sort of transactions that you enter into, whether it's selling on Amazon, whether it's working with other companies, other businesses, you will be able to operate on behalf of your company, which means that you will have your company name, and then the words LLC at the end of that. And you would be surprised at how much that additional wording LLC will add to your reputation and credibility as a business owner. And so that is another reason why you may want to consider registering a LLC, is the major credibility as well as the reputation that an LLC will provide you. Now, another reason why you may want to consider registering an LLC is the simplicity that is associated with LLCs. When operating and managing an LLC, there are less paperwork requirements, there are less formal meetings, there are less record-keeping procedures that are required in comparison to corporations. Additionally, if you want to be able to make any sort of changes to your LLC, such as a business address change, business name change, adding a member, removing a member, these processes and these types of amendments are actually very simple and very straightforward. An additional reason why you may want to consider registering an LLC is because there are no directors or shareholders to maintain. This means that there are no outside parties that you have to keep happy. You yourself are responsible for your business growth, and your business maintenance. You don't have another person to report to or to make happy. You yourself are fully in control. Another reason why you may want to consider registering an LLC is because the distribution procedure does not require you to distribute profits equally according to the number and types of shares held. This means that you have the ability to draft the type of distribution proportions that you see fit. You are not held to some type of standard. In other words, ownership as well as profit distribution percentages can be different, and based on your desires and based on what you want the distribution or the ownership percentages to be, you have full control, power, and authority over those numbers. If you want to learn a little bit more about why you should consider registering an LLC, then make sure you click the link in the description box below to book a free call with a professional who can help you better understand why an LLC may benefit you. Do keep in mind that there is no set amount of profit or income that you should be making before you actually start considering an LLC. That is not the main predictor. The reason why you should register an LLC is for the reasons that I mentioned in today's video. Now, if you haven't gotten the chance to yet, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about business startups, LLCs, corporations, go ahead and click one of these videos here. See you on the next video.